Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video. I thought I'd show you exactly how I fixed my Samsung Smarttag2 from beeping randomly at times. So let's get into it, shall we? So not often I get this, but there are times when my Samsung Galaxy Smarttag2 would randomly beep out of nowhere. Now it's the same sounding beeps that I get when powering on the Smarttag. So I initially thought it was the batteries that was going, but it turned out it wasn't. The battery was fine and brand new, but I'd hate to be in a movie theater if this went off again. I noticed it would consistently happen on my keyring when I made a certain roundabout turn while driving my car. So it got me thinking, could this really be a physical issue with my Samsung Smarttag2? So my fix is simple. It's basically the same procedure I outlined in my other video to fix the first original Samsung Galaxy Smarttag. You should check it out if you haven't seen it. We'll have to remove the battery compartment by using the pin tool, pushing it in the hole to eject the battery underneath. Now if you look closely in there, there's a tiny metal tab protruding outwards. We're going to take a pick tool or a long blade to slightly bend it downwards a little, so that when we reinsert the battery, there's a bit more tension between the surfaces to make constant contact. I'd also recommend taking the time to clean both the battery and the metal tab inside with some rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or residue that might be causing the break between the two. My whole theory is that it may be caused by the plastic tabs you had to pull to first power on the Smarttag. It may have created a weak contact, or even left something between the battery and the device. But hopefully this will be the last beeping noise you'll hear for a long time. Comment below if this helped you, or if you have any ideas to share. If you liked this video, remember to hit that like button. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing to this humble YouTube channel, as it helps me create more content like this for you guys. Alright, cheers!